Good. Good is having a quality that is satisfying. Good. The cake tasted so good, everyone wanted seconds. Good. Bad. Bad is having a quality that is not satisfying. Bad. The traffic was so bad, everyone arrived late to the party. Bad. High. High is having an amount, degree, size, etc. that is greater than normal. High. The boy had a high fever and needed to see the doctor. High. Low. Low is small or below average in degree, value, level, or amount. Low. The airline offers lower fares for early morning flights. Low. Big. Big is large or above average in size, amount, or degree. Big. The elephant had big ears and a long trunk. Big. Small. Small is little or below average in size, amount, degree, or etc. Small. The room had a small window that let in just a little sunlight. Small. Heavy. Heavy is having a lot of weight and not easy to move or pick up. Heavy. She carried a heavy load of books in her backpack. Heavy. Light. Light is having very little weight and easy to move or pick up. Light. The feather was so light that it floated in the air effortlessly. Light. Expensive. Expensive is having a high price. Expensive. The boy wanted the shoes, but they were too expensive. Expensive. Cheap. Cheap is having a low price. Cheap. Gas is often cheaper than electricity for heating homes. Cheap. Old. Old is having been used or existing for a long period of time. Old. He wore an old pair of jeans that were worn and faded. Old. New. New is recently built, invented, made, etc. New. She received a new book as a gift. New. Beautiful. Beautiful is extremely pleasing to the mind or senses. Beautiful. The girl saw a beautiful rainbow after the rainstorm. Beautiful. Ugly. Ugly is not pleasant to the mind or senses. Ugly. She received an ugly haircut that she immediately regretted. Ugly. Fast is having a high speed when moving or doing something. Fast. The fast runner won the race by a wide margin. Fast. Slow. Slow is moving, happening, or being done at a speed that is low. Slow. He had a slow computer that took a long time to start up. Slow.